Hello everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for coming back. So today's video is going to be a flip-flop transformation, and these are the 2 for $5 right now Old Navy flip-flops. And here are some items I had around my house that I'm going to use to transform my daughter's flip-flops from plain to something cute. So what you need for this is some Mod Podge. You're going to need some super glue. You're also going to need a hot glue gun and also some craft sticks, popsicle sticks, and a drill. And starting off, this is the first pair, and I took some flowers from literally, I think those came from Dollar General, and they were $1.99. So I took those, I added some Mod Podge to the actual sandal strap, and I took some glitter. I have glitter all over my house, so I didn't have to go buy any glitter. Took pink glitter and just put it right on top of the Mod Podge. I didn't completely fill this one because I wanted to use chunky glitter as well. And then I took my drill and I drilled in between the toe part just so that the flower, the bottom of the flower, can go inside instead of sitting on top awkwardly. Then I just took some hot glue and I put it inside of that hole and along the sides so that the flower would stay in place. And that's number one. So number two, these are like my under the sea aerial type inspired flip-flop. And I just once again took the Mod Podge, took some glitter in this like greenish teal color and went over the sides. I'm loving that color. And then I took the hot glue gun, of course, and I took it up on the glitter on the sides as well as around, because I want my shell to sit nicely in there and just be stuck and not come off. So I pressed down until it, adhered, and I took my super glue, just poured some in there, and took some rhinestones for my nails. And I got those from Walmart, and these gems, or those are actually pearls with the flat back pearls. I got those from Dollar General. One pack is $1, and I had those from an old project. So I'm like, let me just go ahead and add some little pizzazz to this shell. So I put pearls inside as well as the stones. Pair number 3 is pearls and glitter, and pearls and glitter are some of my favorite things. So for the gray pair, I turned these into silver with some body glitter that I had for years and years that I haven't used. And once again, with the hot glue gun, I'm going to take the flat back pearls. These pearls are the pearls from Dollar General, the ones I just showed you, and I basically just spaced them out. I didn't do any measurements, but I just eyeballed it and placed them, just maybe like half a centimeter apart. All right, for pair number 4, this is what it looks like. I went ahead and got this ribbon that has the stone on it. I cut it into one little piece, or one strip rather, and then I took this beauty supply store hair bow and I pulled off the clip from the back of it and just glued it to the front of the shoe. And then I take that one strip of ribbon that I cut apart from the rest of it, and I just laid it right along the side of the shoe. I didn't use any glitter for this one. We just secured the ribbon and made sure that it was flat, and then I secured it with a couple more drops of glitter, a couple more drops of glue to make sure it was secured, and added the bow to it. And that's what it looks like. Number 5 is the yellow pair, and these are one of my favorite pairs as well. This is my BH Cosmetics glitter. I used just a little bit of that because I didn't want to use too much of it, because that is for my eyes. And I added a different glitter because I didn't want to use it. I just wanted to fill in with some more yellow, and then I just added a little pretty yellow flower, and that's what that one looks like. Finally, pair number 6 is so pretty, and Mod Podge once again, just like everything else, in a pretty dark purple. I added that to it, and I feel like it complemented the lavender so nicely. And once again, I added a big nice beauty supply store hair bow. I'm just wiping off the glitter because I want the hot glue to adhere to the shoe and not to the glitter and come up faster than it should. So that's why you see me wiping it off, and then I put it on the glitter as well, because I want to make sure that the flaps of the actual bow, the top portion, is glued down as well as the knot. And this is what that looks like completed. So we went from these boring, still cute but boring, Old Navy slides, and we just jazzed them up with a little bit of things that we had around the house, just to add a little pizzazz to those shoes. Okay, if y'all like that video, give it a thumbs up, and until next time, I will see you later. Bye.